Hello everyone, welcome to Moja for Industry. We are at Schmersal's factory at Ranjangaon near to Pune. So Schmersal is one of the major names in the field of man and machine safety, very specifically to the manufacturing segment. And today they are celebrating their 10 years of manufacturing in India. The company also celebrates 10 years of contributing to Make in India. So join us to celebrate the occasion, and we'll talk to the management of Schmersal and we'll tell you that what's their vision for next 10 years.
We are totally proud to see the development of the last 10 years in India and of Schmersal India. It's really a pleasure to be part of the family here. We believe totally in the success story of India of tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, and we are convinced to invest more into people and in production and real estate in India because we see that this is a market. The competence center is one a key driver, right? Because nowadays the competence center is mainly driven for R&D, IT, and software, and without it's working without a good infrastructure, without a good basement, you will not be successful, right?
We built it step by step. So first we had the training organization, then we had the manufacturing setup here. After 2 years, we had the export-oriented unit and the free trade warehouse zone. A couple of years later, we had the IT center, then the engineering center, and now an IoT center. So it's a very fulfilling journey that we are able to get and develop all the solutions which are required currently, as well as for the future of the industry. The Indian market itself has a very positive growth dynamics, so there is a lot of growth potential. So we were able to build up this plant, transfer the lines here, and most importantly, localize the products here. So with this localization, I think we are able to have a very strong path of growth in the market. It contributes today 20% of the turnover of Schmersal India. So it's a fast growing thing, and I'm sure that in the years it will grow because we are now getting more and more lines. Now it is an established setup.
It was good to see our team growing, good to see the understanding, the cooperation with suppliers and with customers. That is the most important thing that you have. If you are open-minded, doesn't matter where you come from and where you go to. If you are respect to have people, everything is fine. We do the next steps in the way of localization of components, which is of course sometimes a challenge in the meaning of it has to make finding supplier, quality-wise, coordination, everything. But of course, the next step is also technology-wise from the products.
So first of all, on behalf of the German Engineering Federation, I would like to congratulate Schmersal and Schmersal India team. And Schmersal being a family-owned company, I think this really shows the confidence of the German family-owned enterprises as well as the German Mittelstand about the opportunities in the Indian market. So I think Schmersal, certainly with the very unique products they have. And now what we learned today is also they want to localize more and more in India. So I think this will really give them good opportunities to grow in India, as well as safety is a very important aspect also in the Indian manufacturing industry. And that's why I think it's the right product at the right place and right time.
I can say I would like to appreciate our global management who thought India as one of the place to support for our local customer as well as globally. Another thing, we are one of the member of BIS committee. Secondly, they have also asked to become member of ISO committee. So we are giving our feedback to do the opposite side to enhance the international safety standard, which we feel it is important for Indian market. And you can see that we are one of the fastest growing in the safety. We are the leader. And Schmersal in the safety is the first company who at least cross 100 crore that you have seen that in I can say in 13-14 years. Basically, we are first investing to increase more people on the ground, to have more feet on the ground, to increase our coverage. Secondly, we are also doing a lot of development for appointing the partners. Third thing, we are also continuously developing the new product. Germany is helping us to bring the new lines for the new new products to add a value.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.